Welcome back to the channel. No intro video today. I was just doing some fun fishing, trying to see if I can catch anything before the tournament next week. Caught a bunch of bass early, really shallow, tons of bluegill, enough that I decided to switch over to bluegill for the rest of the day. It was a short day anyway, so there's a big tournament going out of Blythe with Foothills, so I didn't want to be here for the weigh-ins and being stuck and waiting in line. So it's just a short day. Hopefully next week I'll be able to find some bigger fish. Everything I caught today was about 16 or 17. Gonna need something bigger than that definitely for next week. Until next time. That's not even the big one. Saw it laying there on a bed. Let's try for the big one. Alright, sight fishing them. Barely was even hooked. This little guy though, not gonna help in the tournament. A little larger. The little guy. These ain't gonna help during tournament day. Alright. There's the little guy again. Should be keeping these guys to eat today. Got hooked. Another little guy. There's your fish. Catch fish, just nothing to size. These little guys. Great for eating. Decent one, I guess. Oh yeah. $17 and a half. Better than the ones I've been catching. Little baby bluegill for the season. Oh, baby bass. Little tiny thing. Little tiny hook right in the corner of his mouth.